I am buying more Gala tokens right now, and in this video I'm going to be telling you exactly why I'm doing so. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. In this one I'm going to be covering Gala games once again, and I'm going to be telling you why I personally think that right now is a pretty great opportunity to buy in if you haven't already. By the way guys, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure guys drop a like on this video and also subscribe if you are new, because that will be really appreciated. Anyways, with that being said, let's jump back into the video and let me show you all the things which I'm talking about. If you want to make some serious money with crypto, my trade signal group is the best place for you to be. Right over here you can see the monthly recap for the month of April, and this includes all the profits which we had taken and which we had achieved in the month of April. Right over here you can see we took 12 trades in total, and our average win percentage was really high at about 100%. In here you can see we secure profits of about 189%, 303%, 182%, 237%, and the list goes on and on. If you want to make similar profits for yourself, make sure you guys check out the link to my trade signal group. It will be down in the description, and sign up as soon as possible. So guys, right over here I have the charts loaded up for Gala games, and for those of you who are new, I just want to explain that I personally believe this price point right over here was the bear market low for Gala games. Now this came in at a price of about 0.015. Now after we got to this price point, we started forming this massive Elliott wave structure, which includes 5 waves towards the upside. So we pumped up in our wave number 1, we came down in our wave number 2, but then as we are progressing to our wave 3 target of about 0.083, this is where we saw this important resistance level for Gala games, which Gala games was unfortunately not really able to break at all. Right over here you can see we tried once, twice, thrice, but we were not really able to break it at all. Now this resulted in forming a double top pattern right over here, and that was one of the reasons why we saw this decline in the price. Now the major reason behind this decline in this price was because of the Gala version 2 upgrade. Now I have covered this previously on my channel as well, but I do still believe that Gala version 2 is the best upgrade Gala could have possibly got. Now right now about 42% of the Gala's total supply has been burned, which is really good, because now the total overall supply for Gala is just about 29 billion tokens. I personally think that that is the most bullish news which we have ever heard from Gala in the longest time now. I personally also do believe guys that we are on this massive move towards the upside, and before moving on to my price targets, I just want to show you some important resistance and support levels which Gala needs to really hold. Right over here you can see that the most important support level, which is located at a price of about 0.029, has been broken through, but even though we are trading below it, we haven't really seen a whole candle below it. Now only when we see a break below this price point right over here, and we see a whole red candle right over here, which basically tells us the price is going towards the downside, I'm going to be basically taking a short trade on Gala. Now I do believe that the most important support levels for Gala after this level right over here is located at this price level right over here at a price of about 0.0024. Now if we calculate the amount of returns which we might be able to achieve, as you can see that's about a 17% drop from the current price points, which can be expected for Gala, but I still think that the most likely scenario for Gala is towards the upside. Now the most important resistance level for Gala to break is this blue line right over here at a price of about 0.005. Now I personally believe that if we can break above this, and right now as you can see it's about a 75% move towards the upside, which I believe Gala can do in just a matter of few days, or even in just one single day as well. We have seen projects like Gala do similar types of movement and even go beyond these movements in the past couple of years, you could say. So I personally believe this is possible, and we should be expecting this much larger than we should be expecting this drop towards the downside. Now guys, let me show you some of my targets which I have set for Gala for the shorter time frames. So guys, my first target for Gala games is this right over here at a price of about 0.083. From the current price points, that's about a 200% move towards the upside, which is really good to see. Now my next price target for Gala for the immediate shorter time frames is located around 0.10, and that's about a 263% move towards the upside. Both of these targets are achievable for Gala for the shorter time frames, and I do believe that we are going to be reaching that very soon. Anyways, now let me show you some of the indicators and show you what they are basically telling us. So right over here you can see that the RSI is trending towards the downside, even though we are still seeing some buying pressure on the MACD. However guys, you will be able to see that the selling pressure which we got in opposed to the buying pressure is nothing. I mean, even though the buying pressure is going pretty steady and we are losing some buying pressure right over here, but the buying pressure is still really low in comparison to the selling which we got previously. This is a little bit sign of a worry, and that is why I have got the likely possibility that we might even drop towards the downside towards this price target right over here. By the way guys, if you want to make some serious money with crypto, make sure guys check out my trade signal group. The link to it will be down in the descriptions. Now before moving on to anything, let me show you the results which we have been able to achieve within my trade signal group. Right over here you can see that just today we took this trade, and right over here you can see that we just secured profits of about 96% on just this one single trade alone. Now guys, if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we have been logging profits left and right. So right over here you can see profits of 166%, profits of 355%, profits of 129%, profits of 117%, and if I scroll above, you will be able to see that we even log profits of about 1500% on just one single trade. The list goes on, and that is why, because we are really so profitable in my trade signal group, and that is the major reason why I've decided to limit the amount of members that can join my trade signal group. At this moment, only 3 spots are remaining, so if you guys want to be one of them, make sure guys join up as soon as possible and start earning your money from the get-go. I personally believe my trade signal group is a really good investment in yourself, and if you ever wanted to make some serious money with crypto, I personally believe my trade signal group can be the starting point for you, and it can really help you basically grow your portfolio to buy about 5x, 10x, 15x in the shorter time frames. And yeah guys, that's gonna be pretty much it from this video. I hope you guys got some good insights, and if you did, make sure you guys drop a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you are new, and as always, I'll catch you all tomorrow with another video. Peace out.